All right, one answer left. What do they look forward to in becoming an adult?
Not having to go to school all day?
Not having to go to school all day. No! High school takes it again. What is the final answer of their being in charge, making the rules, then making merry. I missed that one. All right. You need to show you one? Okay. All right. We surveyed 100 middle school, high school students. Top 5 answers on the board. Name an electronic device that you wish you owned. What did they say?
iPad.
An iPad. Number 5 answer was iPad.
Cell phone.
A cell phone. That was number 2. Y'all can play or pass. Y'all gonna play again. No way. What is an electronic device our students wish they owned?
A computer.
A computer. Number 1. A MacBook or a computer. 2 answers left. An electronic device they wish they owned. Those are the only 3 she knows. A pager. A typewriter. An electric one.
A smart TV.
A smart TV. Smart TV? No! They want a double TV. What?
They're specifically not allowed here, but a drone.
A drone. Good answer. Good answer. Oh! 2 strikes. All right. Justin, who's your
Electronic device they wish they owned. Chromecast or Amazon Fire Stick?
A streaming device, Chromecast, Fire Stick, TV streaming device. 3rd strike. All right. Once again, you get a chance to steal or you hand it all back over to the high school. You're ready with an answer.
We're going to say game console, virtual reality.
Game console. Gaming system. 216 points. So did they win? Yeah. Oh, middle school won. What is the number 4 answer? Yeah. An Apple Watch. They had 216 points. Trust me, they won. All right. Which 2 are going to be for the Cheese Fest? All right, Daryl Collins. All right, Daryl. How you doing, Colin? Nervous? No. Good. What do you do teaching?
You're going like this.
You're a man of good words.
You gotta think your kids. You gotta bring your brain. You gotta plug it in. Yeah, they gotta bring their brain. So yeah, exactly.
And they're the biggest distraction.
How's that going?
88.
I love that word.
Group of kids out there?
Yeah, we got
How many of you guys are coming off the street? Awesome. Fantastic. Looking forward to grades. When is our first home game?
August 31st.
It's just your boss, I think. Don't worry about it. Home team. September 7th. All right. Friday, September 7th. That's your first home game. All right, we are ready. We surveyed 100 students and got their responses to this. You got 20 seconds on the clock. Time will start when I finish the first question. Are we ready? All right. How many clubs and athletic teams were you a part of this year?
3.
Name something you do when you want to learn something new. How many times have you moved? 4. Name something you'll remember about Cole when you leave.
Friends.
How old do you think Coach Keurig is?
A relic.
A relic. No, you don't have it.
He's gonna say that.
They're gonna go with 50. Good answer. So we get a Gene pass out, please? You guys?
Give me one of them.
All right, we asked how many clubs or athletic teams were you a part of this school year? You said 3. Survey said 20. Very good. Name something you do when you want to learn something new. You said go do Google. Survey said 6. Number 1 answer, middle school and high school. How many times have you moved? You said. Student said 4. Survey said 20. Halfway there. Name something that you will remember about Cole when you leave. You said, my friend. Survey said 27. And we asked the students, how old do you think Coach Keurig is? They said 50. Survey said 1,800. Great job. We really didn't plan this last question. Smile a little bit. All right, Coach. Colin got 145 points. No question. But if you don't get 55 points, this could be the low point of your life. All right, we ready, Mr. Mahler? We're going to ask you the same questions. You'll have 25 seconds on the clock. If you repeat an answer, you will hear this sound. You'll have to come up with a second answer. Fine, we'll start when I finish the first question. Here we go. We asked our students, how many clubs and athletic teams were you a part of this year? They said 3. Try again. Name something you do when you want to learn something new.
Pass.
How many times have you moved?
5.
Name something you will remember about Cole when you leave.
Friendship.
Try again.
Teachers.
How old do you think Coach Keurig is?
52.
Name something you do when you want to learn something new. We're out of time. Good.
Walking off the set.
Thank you, Coach May, for that last question.
That was total chance, and you ended up getting that. The last one.
55 points, Coach. You got this. Yeah.
I don't know.
What do you want to do?
Be close.
All right, we are ready. Turn around here, Daryl. How many clubs or athletic teams were you a part of this year? You said 4. Survey said 18. Our top answers for both middle school and high school was 2. That was the most prominent answer, 2. Name something you do when you want to learn something new. You said nothing.
Survey said.
Answer was 0. Imagine that. We asked our students how many times have you moved, and you said 5, survey said. 18. The high school tied with 3 and 4 moves. Middle school top answer was 3 moves. We said, name something you'll remember about Cole when you leave. You said, teachers. That was the number 1 answer for high school. 19 points will get you a team's pass. Survey said. Last question was how old do you think Coach Keurig is? Remember we were asking the students, you said 52. Survey said. All right.
Top answer! Top answer!
All right, don't let this go to your head, Coach. Number 1 answer to middle school students was somewhere between 40 and 44. Top answer for the high school students was somewhere between 35 and 39. We need our history teachers to teach them more about artifacts. So they won the James Bassett Middle School. First, let's hear it one more time for Brittany. This been a lot of work. So now Brittany wants to spend the rest of the time kind of looking at all the answers of what the kids came up with.
All right, we're going to go through these pretty quickly, but here's the survey directions. So these were given to the students verbally and on the top of their paper, right? And so obviously don't write their name on it legibly, which some of them did not follow that direction. Limit the responses to make it easier for me to interpret, because some kids like to write a paragraph for each answer. And then obviously not discuss their answer to anybody else during the survey to skew the results of somebody else or change someone's mind, and then with the teachers afterwards to ruin the surprise, and then to fold the paper and put it in an envelope. So here's the number of students that were surveyed. Again, middle school was 131, high school was 125. There's the full survey on the side of the screen right there. The first question, name the first thing you do when you get home after school. There's the high school responses, middle school responses. None too surprising, maybe chores. Right? And then some silly ones, high school cry, play games, or Wednesday shower. Middle school was talk about my day to my family and see what's for dinner, right? Right? The second question, name an app or website that you visit often. Right? And so high school, I mean, all the regulars, right? Middle school, pretty much all the regulars. Fortnite and Roblox are on the bottom there. Right, and then NRA app was one of them, and then the grade book, and then not appropriate for school. That's actually what they put. I was a little nervous about this because I was nervous about some of the websites they put, but that was the only one that put something that wasn't appropriate, and they just wrote not appropriate for school. So, wasn't too bad. Name an electronic device that you wish you owned. Right, a lot of kids put MacBook. Right? Probably 90% of the computer responses, the kids just put MacBook. You know, so I thought that was pretty interesting. I own everything I want, 6 kids in the high school, so lucky kids. Name something you do when you want to learn something new. All right, Google it, look it up. That was pretty much demanding. Ask questions. Study, watch a video, pay attention, listen. And then some interesting responses. High school, put my phone down. That was one of the responses. Tell someone about it, which is a good strategy. High school, get excited, and then reflect at the middle school. Name one thing you would change about school if you were in charge. All right, so dress code was